Guys, thanks for joining me. My name is Colleen. I am the Blessed Wife in NC. Today, I wanted to talk about Grove Collaborative. If you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it is a subscription service where you can purchase cleaning products, hygiene products, and beauty products that are not only good for you, but also good for the environment. Grove Collaborative has a VIP program for $19.99 a year, which allows you to get your product with free shipping, and each time you order, depending on what amount you spend, you can also get a free product. And one of the things that I love about Grove Collaborative is that I am able to have the convenience of having my cleaning products sent right to my door. I don't know about you, but I hate shopping. I am so blessed that I have a husband that will do the grocery shopping for me with a list. So when it comes to getting my cleaning products, I like the convenience of Grove Collaborative because I order when I want, I ship when I want. So what Grove Collaborative will do is that they will keep a tally of what you purchase, and they will kind of like put it in your next cart for your following month, but you have the ability to change your cart around if you don't particularly need, that product that you purchased last month for the next month. And you have the ability of being able to say, hey, you know what, I need to place an order now and I need it to ship now, so you can do that too. And I really like the convenience of that. How I came about learning about Grove Collaborative was because I have to admit I am obsessed with YouTube, and I have watched so many people have Grove Collaborative unboxings. I've watched cleaning videos, and I've just really felt as though, you know what, this is really something that I love, and I would like to share that with you. I'd like to share, something that I'm really, really passionate about. And believe it or not, by watching these videos, as I have, for the past year or more, I actually feel as though that, I really truly enjoy cleaning. I don't enjoy the shopping, but I really do enjoy the cleaning. So with that said, let me tell you about how I first started out with Grove. What I kind of did was I went with the most popular product that I had heard about, and the line that I had heard about was Mrs. Meyer's. And at the time, a lot of the YouTubers were recommending the Mrs. Meyer's products in the lemon verbena scent. And I have to admit, that has been the scent that I have stuck with pretty much for the past few months. Now, Mrs. Meyer's does come in other scents, but I have stuck with Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena because I absolutely love it. I have tried some of her other scents, and I've also gotten some of her limited edition scents, which I will elaborate on in a few minutes. But you'll see as I go through, majority of the stuff that I do have is the lemon verbena. I do have to say that there are some other products that I have purchased through Grove Collaborative that I use, that I love, that are not part of the Mrs. Meyer's collection. And there are some products that I've gotten from Grove Collaborative that I'm really, truly not all that pleased with, and I will elaborate on that in a few minutes. If you're new to Grove Collaborative and you would like to investigate and look at their website, I will leave a link to their website below. I will also leave a link, if you decide that you want to use Grove Collaborative, I will use a referral link down below. And if you use that, I would really, really appreciate it, because that's going to help me get some credit with Grove Collaborative. I do buy from them on a regular basis, and any little bit helps. So just to give you a little bit of background, you can't see right now, but I do have a house full of 3 dogs and 4 cats. So my house tends to get a little bit dirty. I can't help it. I love my animals. I'm not going to give them up. So having cleaning products that I can use that takes care of the fact that there's animal hair and tracks across my floors, it just was fabulous. It was for me. So with that said, let's get into some of these products. So the first product that I ended up purchasing was the Mrs. Meyer's. It's the multi-surface cleaner. And let me tell you, it's the everyday cleaner, and I use this every day. When I first got this, It was a package of the multi-surface cleaner, the dishwashing liquid, and the hand soap. It was the 3 products that came together. And I was using this on everything. I was using it on my stainless steel. I was using it on my glass. I was using it on my granite. I use it for everything. And I absolutely love it. It did a fabulous job. Surprisingly, my granite did not turn out to be streaky whatsoever. And I was really, really pleased with this. So I decided that I was going to kind of venture off and start using some of her other products. And that's brought me into using her baking soda cream cleaner. And I have to say, I love this. I use this when I clean my stovetop. I use this when I clean my sink. And that's probably about it. I'm sure I could use it in my bathroom. I have not done that yet, but I have to say a little bit goes a long way. I've had this for a couple of months. It's practically full, and I really love the job that it does. My stainless steel sink, it does not leave any stains that I might get there. It cleans really, really well. The next product that I started using was the Vinegar Gel No Rinse Cleaner, and I really like this. I haven't really used it all that much with the exception of cleaning my stainless steel sink. But again, I am a total fan, and a little bit goes a long way. As I mentioned earlier, I did have the hand wash and the dishwash. I've been using the dishwash. I love it. I actually have the dishwash soap in a few different scents. This is the mint. I do have it in lavender, and I also have it in the lemon verbena, and I love all of the scents. I have to admit, the lemon verbena and the mint are my favorite. I was a huge lavender girl. I loved lavender so much. I didn't really fall in love with her version of the lavender. And I'm kind of like using that right now to hurry up and get through it so I can switch to the mint. But I really, truly do love how well it cleans the dishes. And again, all the product, a little bit goes a long way. For my glass, I was using Windex or some sort of generic version of Windex for my glass, for my windows, for my mirrors. And I decided that I was going to go and I was going to try the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner. And I have to admit, I really, really do like it. A little bit does, again, go a long way. What I ended up doing is I ended up purchasing some microfiber cloths through Grove Collaborative, and I use this when I clean all of my glass, and it does a fabulous job. It doesn't leave any streaks. These are wonderful. They're washable. You just use them over and over again, and it does give a really, really streak-free clean. They are a little bit costly for the microfiber cloths. They do come in different colors, and they're thick. They are really, really great quality. But what I ended up doing is I ended up going to Walmart, and I ended up buying a package. I believe I got these in the automotive department, if I'm correct. I think there was probably 10 or 15 in the package. It was really, really cheap. And they're not as strong. They're not as good quality as the ones that I've gotten from Grove Collaborative, but they do a really, really good job. And again, you just throw them in the wash and you can use them over and over again. One of the videos that I ended up watching, somebody had recommended Dollar Tree, and I have to tell you, Dollar Tree is becoming one of my favorite stores, and we will definitely explore that in a different video. But they did recommend that in the automotive section in Dollar Tree, they do have these microfiber mitts, and I have to admit, I do absolutely positively love using these when I dust. It's just fabulous. Again, you just throw it in the wash and you're good to go. When it comes to dusting and it comes to my furniture, I have to say I'm old school. I was raised that you polished your furniture every week. And one of the things that I always used was Pledge. I decided that I was going to try a different product from Grove Collaborative, and I ended up getting the 7th generation wood cleaner. And I have to admit, it does a really, really great job cleaning, but I don't feel as though it polishes the furniture. I don't know if I'm going to continue to purchase this. I may switch over and use Pledge unless I can find something through Grove Collaborative that that cleans and polishes my furniture. I do have a few antique pieces that I absolutely love, and I'd like the wood to really shine because it just has such beautiful grade, and I just don't really feel as though the 7th generation does that for me. On my other day-to-day things, I don't mind it, but on my antiques, I really wish that I had more of a sheen. When it comes to my cabinets, my wood cabinets in my kitchen and in my bathrooms, I did discover one product that I've been using, and this product actually I got through Home Depot. It's called Magic Cabinet Wood Cleaner and Polish, and I really love this. I probably only use this a few times a year. I don't use this that often. I use the 7th generation on a weekly to every 2 weeks, but the Magic I use probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 times a year, and I really like this because it definitely cuts through the grease and it shines my cabinets. And again, I use the microfiber cloths with this, and it just does a fabulous job. When it comes to my floors, I admit that I don't have any product to show you here, but what I've been using for my hardwood floors, I've been using the Bona system, which I really, really like. And as far as my kitchen and my bathroom floors, they're really actually linoleum. So for the most part, what I actually end up using, and I don't have it sitting here right now, but I use a to get out really the rough spots, you know, stains. I actually use my Magic Erase. Magic Erase does come in a mop with a replacement head, and I do use those, but I also use my steam mop after I use my Magic Erase, because I feel as though the Magic Erase does a really super job of getting out my dog's paw prints and stuff like that from when they come in and out of the house. When it comes to my bathroom, I do use the Mrs. Meyer's glass cleaner on my mirrors in that. The other product that I use is actually the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. This is my second one that I've been on, and I absolutely positively love it. It does a fabulous job cleaning. I like the scent. It's a spearmint or a peppermint, but I really, really like it, and I will continue using this. The other cleaner that I've been using is the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner, and it really does a fabulous job cleaning. I cannot complain about how well it cleans. My only complaint is that it's very irritating to my nostril or to my nose and to my throat. And I think I don't know if I mentioned, this is my first container. I don't think I'm going to be going back and using this again. I think I'm actually going to try the Mrs. Meyer's bathroom cleaner to see how that compares to this. Again, like I said, this does a fabulous job cleaning, but it's just too caustic, and I don't really feel comfortable. I feel as though I need to have a mask on, and there's going to be really good ventilation. And for something that's supposed to be it's just not something that I feel as though is healthy for me if I'm definitely breathing this in. So I feel as though I will probably go and switch to the Mrs. Meyer's. With that said, back to Mrs. Meyer's. As far as laundry is concerned, I have fallen in love with the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. This I have an 11 verbena. I did try the 7th generation cleaner at one time, and I really, really liked it, but I like this one much, much better. You get more washes than I did get through the 7th generation. You notice that the cap is small. There is really not much that you need in order to do the wash, and again, I love the smell. I probably will try using different scents from the Mrs. Meyer's. Maybe I might try using the lavender or the mint, if that's still available. But again, like I said, this is a really, really great cleaner, and it definitely goes a long way. One of the other things that I was using with my laundry were dryer sheets, and I had noticed that there was people on YouTube that were recommending the Grove Collaborative wool dryables, and I have to admit, for $15.99, I believe this was, with a little bit of essential oils, these actually are really terrific. I like the fact that it does work well. It does soften the clothes. The essential oil gives the clothes just a little bit of a little subtle scent, and I like the fact that, you know, these are something that I can use over and over again, and I don't have to repurchase the dryer sheets. Some of the things that I've also gotten from Grove Collaborative that I have not mentioned is just simple little household things. One of the things that I had purchased was this adorable little dustpan and brush, and it just helps with like little tiny messes. I know this sounds crazy, but my husband always makes a mess in the stove when he cooks, and I actually use this to actually sweep out all the crumbs and stuff that he makes in the stove before I clean it. So this really, really comes in handy. The other thing that I've purchased through Grove Collaborative are their rubber gloves. And I have to admit, they only come in medium. I do have small hands. I'm not a big person. These fit okay. They're a little bit too big, but I like the fact that I can actually use hot water and not really have to worry about my hands getting hot or, you know, feeling the water temperature all that much. So I really am excited about Grove Collaborative. As I mentioned earlier, they do have a spring collection. It's a Mrs. Meyer's box that will that they had. It was a pre-order, and they had different levels of the pre-order. There are certain items that you could get, and the most expensive one was for $79.99, and that contained some Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products that you had the choice of either a lilac scent or a peony scent, and along with some other goodies that go along with it. When that box comes in, I definitely feel as though I will definitely do an unboxing and sharing my thoughts as far as what the smell is like. I did end up going with the lilac. But if you have any questions, please just comment below. I want to thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch this. This is my first video. I really haven't mastered the lighting and the technology yet, but I am a work in progress. So again, thank you so much, and I really truly hope you have a blessed day, and I look forward to sharing more with you.